Hello and welcome to another Spider Strategies QuickScore training video. In this video, you'll learn how to create a briefing in QuickScore. Before we get into the lesson, let's talk a little bit about some presumptions we make about you, the viewer of this training video. First, that you've already created a balanced scorecard in QuickScore and you want to create a briefing presentation to better visualize and communicate key elements of it. Second, that you're familiar with the QuickScore interface and can navigate to various folders and views of your scorecard in QuickScore to locate and access your content. The next step is a quick review of an existing briefing in QuickScore to portray to you the art of the possible in the briefing that you'll create. The mobile world environment is available to all QuickScore customers as an existing sample scorecard. We've opened the mobile world organization, have selected the briefings folder, and are presently viewing the monthly staff meeting briefing book. In the briefing, you have navigation tools across the top that allow you to page back and forth between any and all existing pages within a briefing using the forward or backward navigation arrows and or a drop-down list of all the pages so you can jump to any desired page within the briefing. With that introduction to the art of the possible out of the way, let's preview the process that you will learn to create a briefing in QuickScore. There are 6 basic steps to the creation of a briefing in QuickScore. First, open the briefings folder. Second, access the appropriate organization within which you want to create a briefing. Third, switch to edit mode. Fourth, create a new briefing. Fifth, switch out of edit mode. And lastly, navigate to any existing scorecard views, dashboards, reports, or any applications that you want to add as pages in the briefing and use the Send To button to send them to your desired briefing. With that said, let's get into a demonstration of the creation of a new briefing in QuickScore. We'll start at the home page in QuickScore, and as we discussed, navigate to the Briefings folder. Within Briefings, we'll open the organization within which we want to create a briefing. In our case, it will be Mobile World Inc. We will select it to open it up. Next, we will just take a minute here to navigate around the existing monthly staff meeting briefing that we previewed in the PowerPoint slides a minute ago to show you the navigation of that briefing book live within QuickScore. You can jump forward and backward through pages, you can use the drop-down to navigate, and so on. Next, we get into edit mode and create a new briefing. We will give this briefing the name of Training Briefing 2017 and create it. Once the briefing is created, we will exit edit mode by clicking Done along the bottom. And next, we will then navigate to the existing content in our Mobile World Inc. scorecard, such as dashboards. We'll first go to the dashboards folder and select the Training Strategy Map 2017, which we want to add to our new briefing. We'll use the Send To button and select Briefing. And within the new briefing slide, we'll provide it with a name. We'll accept the default name, open the Mobile World Inc. organization, and select the Training Briefing 2017 as the destination of our Send To operation. Next, we'll move to another dashboard page, the Key Measure History dashboard. Again, send it to a briefing. Again, Mobile World Inc. and the Training Briefing 2017 briefing, and click Save. So we've added 2 dashboards to our briefing. Next, let's move to a report. We'll select the Reports folder and choose the Sales Overview Report, which we again want to add to our briefing. Use the Send To, select Briefing, add it to Mobile World Inc. and the Training Briefing 2017 briefing. Click Save. Next, we'll move on to another type of content, which is an initiative. In this case, we will navigate to the Build a CEO Capability initiative and choose it as the initiative that we want to add to our briefing book. Again, Send To a briefing. Again, select Mobile World and the Training Briefing 2017 and click Save. Lastly, we'll move to the scorecards view of our scorecard. Again, the Mobile World Balanced Scorecard and the financial perspective is the page that we want to add to our briefing. Again, use the Send To button, select Briefing, again, Mobile World Inc. as the organization, and the Training Briefing 2017 as the destination, and click Save. So to this point, we have added 5 distinct views of our Mobile World scorecard into a briefing. Let's go and look at that existing briefing. We'll open the Briefings folder, select the Training Briefing 2017, and use, in this case, the drop-down list to see all 5 pages, and again, use the navigation buttons forward and backward, etc. to navigate through the 5 pages of the newly created briefing. And again, the drop-down allows you to jump to any desired page whenever you want to see it. In terms of presentation, you can jump to full screen presentation mode by clicking Start in the upper right. Again, the navigation buttons still exist along the top. Nothing different here. You can still navigate page to page in the same way. It just is providing you more visual real estate. We'll click Stop to get out of presentation mode, and we're back in the scorecard view. You have just learned how to create a briefing in Scorecard. Congratulations. Let's take a quick review of the 6 basic steps. Open the Briefings folder, access the appropriate organization, switch to edit mode, create and name the new briefing, switch out of edit mode, and then navigate to any existing scorecard views, dashboards, reports, or applications that you want to add as pages into your briefing, and use the Send To button to send them to that briefing. If you have any questions about this, please contact us at learn@spiderstrategies.com. Thank you.